beautiful. I love it.
Don't worry about what we are laughing about. This is an inside joke. We had absolutely fun just getting to know each other, talking. She's a lovely, lovely lady. This hair comes in this big green pack. You get 3 bags of hair. In each bag, you have 22 strands of hair. And so you have more than enough for an entire head. I believe we only use 1 bag. And even that 1 bag, I don't think we finished the entire 3 packs in there. A little bit goes a long way because, of course, it's big hair. So this hair, she bought it from Amazon. This is Ringlet wand or Ringlet wand. And it is a beautiful soft hair. It has a kinky texture to it. If you want to braid it, I believe you could twist it or braid it for more of an Afro natural kinky braid look. Hi and welcome to my channel. It is always such a pleasure to have you here. My name is Marissa Joat, J-O-A-T, for Jack of all trades. Master of many. Yes, master of many. Guys, we are getting close to 1,000 subscribers. As I said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. You have to engage. You just have to do something. Like it, share it, and make a comment, okay? And that's how YouTube is going and recommending my videos for other people to watch. We are so close to the mark. Push it, guys. Help me hit 1,000 subscribers so I can do this giveaway. I am looking forward to it. This pack of hair will be in the giveaway, and so if you want to do some braids with it, some crochets with it, I got you, girl.
You for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest of my life. I ain't from a place that you know. Abandoned dreams I won't go near. So when there's something good, I'll let go. I let you go, but you're still here. Through my eyes, you're naive, and through your eyes, I'm just crazy. No, I never met someone like you. I never met anyone who loves me like you do. Anybody comes, I'll fight like you would for me. I never had anyone I trust or to walk so far alone. Through my eyes, you chase dreams. Through your eyes, I'm amazing. No, I never met someone like you. I never met anyone who loves me like you do. Anybody comes, I'll fight like you would for me. I never had anyone I trust or love like
I went ahead and put a little bit of mousse in the parting side to make it lay. Like I said, the hair is kind of big, and so I put some heat on it. I let her sit under some heat to try to tame it down a little bit, and I think it did pretty good. Again, this hair does not last. In about a week to 2 weeks, it starts to puff up and it starts to give that kinky afro look. So if you want big hair, this will be great for you. If you don't like big hair, then you might want to wear this less than 2 weeks, or you might want to twist it or braid it. That's I think, in my opinion, the best way to work this hair. Thanks for coming on my channel.
My pleasure.